Hello, Pat. So this is the video to explain the other file, the exact test long version, and it is pretty much the same thing, just with a few differences. The two differences are that I added two more workbooks, with which the user can go when they go check results. Here in the case of the female, it's going to be here a box says click here to check a more detailed report, and if they check it there, it's going to take them to this workbook. So it's called detailed female results, and there's also one for the male, detailed male results, and it's basically the same thing, just with a few differences. So for start, this one they don't have like these group things, this collapsible menu, and it has the graph over here, so they can check everything, compare their numbers with the bars. And the other thing that is new is that they have these other factors have also a set score. So how did I calculate this? So it's pretty much the same. So it's just the mean minus data P79 divided data Q79. So that must be the mean of the 100 people that they interview divided the standard deviation. But we're going to check it. So P79, here I have it. So P79 and standard deviation Q79. So this is 3.18 and 0.77. So just to check, I have it here. So these are for women, the female, and they have like the same values. I double check all these values, and all of this data from this sheet, I put it over here in this workbook called data. So all the values to calculate the set scores for these two workbooks, they come from here. So that's how I calculate these values. And now that I have these values, they can check a lot more other things. So here there is a box that says scroll down to check a graph for each factor, or click on the hyperlinks. So the users can either scroll down, and they can here read the instructions on how to interpret the test results, and they can see like the meaning of the bars and everything. And if they keep scrolling down, they will see like the graph for the different factors with their now difference is that they have these other sub-factors like honesty and humility, has sincerity, fairness, greed avoidance, and modesty. And as you can see, they also match with the colors. So this one is the light blue, and we have the light blue here, and this one is like this yellow brown, and it also matches with this emotionally, and so on. So this one is the light blue and is here, and so on. So they can either go down and check everything, the agreeableness, and also conscientiousness and openness to experience. Or the other way you can explore this file is by using the hyperlinks. So it says also for each factor, click on the hyperlinks, so they can go honesty and humility, and if they don't know what you're looking, so what the hell is this, they can go and go to how to interpret these results. It will take them back to the instructions, and they say, alright, now that I get it, I'm going back to see my test results. And once they finish, they can click here and go up and check another one, so the agreeableness and so on. And when they're done, they can go and take the test again, so they can here and start again. And I don't know, now another group member is going to take the test, so they can change here the things and start over again. That's pretty much it for the long version. But the other thing I did was check that all these calculations of the scores were like calculated in a proper way. So what I did is that here they have all the sum of the different factors, and you can trade this by clicking here, trade dependence. And what I did was, like, for example, this sincerity is the question, this one is the question number, well, yeah, what does it come from? So the sincerity, it goes from question 30, the question 30, so I marked them with different color, so question 30 and question 78, and I just check here that was 70 and 78, and on the other side we have the R calculations. So for example, here it says 5, that must be mean that this question was answered with a 1, and in fact here it is. So you can check here that it has all these conditionals, that if they choose 1 is 5, if they choose 2 is 4, if they choose 4 is 2, if they choose 5 is 1, and with 3 they have nothing to do because it's the same number. So here they have, which number was this one? Was question number 6, and here is the other one, that is question number 54. So is 54 and 6 are. So I did that with all of these questions just to check that everything was okay, and so I can now guarantee that with this process I can guarantee that everything is calculated in the right way. I think that's it. If you have any questions about my methods or my graph, you want anything else, please let me know. And I hope this videos helps, because I know that explaining everything by the phone is can be a little bit more complicated, especially if I am not an English native speaker. But I hope this works. So okay, bye.